If you've seen my previous video, I'm talking about handheld electric sanders in the shop. Well, today I'm going to show you how to use the belt sander. Now this is a smaller, it's older model. It's a 3 by 18 inch. That means the belt's 18 inches long, so you've got about less than 9 inches down the overall surface. So let me show you how we use it. Everyone is going to have some kind of lever. This in here's got a lever right here. We just pull up and then you can just slide the belt right off. Now to put the new belt on there, you've got to look. There's little arrows inside telling you the direction. Now, so this thing is going to be spinning this way. So that's the way that you need to turn it. So I'm going to put this on like this. Just line it up. And you flip your lever back. That's how you change a belt on a belt sander. Okay, now that we've got the belt changed out, I can plug it back up. And I always change the belt with it unplugged. To use this sander, I'm going to sand this piece of wide poplar here that I glued up. And what I'm going to do is take a pencil and I'm going to make some marks. So that way that you can kind of, you sand over those marks, you know that you've done sanded over that area. And you got to keep this thing moving. Do not let this thing sit in one spot. Like I said in a previous video, and it will make gouges and everything. So let's try it out here. Well, I don't know if you noticed in my video, but my sander just died. No more belt sander. I know the brushes is down, probably wore out on this thing. I don't know if I can find any brushes for this older model and everything. But you get the picture, doggone. You got to keep this thing moving back and forth and everything. It's good to sand large areas rough. Now I put a 120 grit on here. They make an 80 grit, and I think they even make a 60 grit, for coarser sanding. Which this board was done plain. I just glued them up, so I just wanted to kind of knock off the glue a little bit. So this is what a belt sander is for. It's to sand rough areas or large areas and everything. This is not a finishing sander, so it is what it is. Sorry I couldn't give you more of a review on it. Well guys, I hope this helps you if you want to purchase a belt sander. And as always, thanks for watching guys.